Remove unwanted part of video in Kinemaster. Let's clean up that video. Whether it's awkward pause or random mistake, Kinemaster makes trimming easy. Open your project and tap the video clip on the timeline to activate editing tools. Use the white handles on either end of the clip to drag and trim parts off, but if you want to remove a middle section, here's how to do. Move the playhead to start the unwanted selection. Tap the section icon, then select split at playhead. Move the playhead to the end of unwanted parts and split again. Tap the isolated section and hit delete. Boom, clean cut. This helps you remove pause, blooper, or extra footage and keep your content sharp. For more precise cut, zoom in to the timeline using the pinch gesture. Master is all about control and creativity.